Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick unboxing of my Weight Watchers snacks that I just received. I hope you're all having a great day. This is early afternoon, it's Tuesday afternoon, and let's get started. First thing that I got was the flavored snack bar, chocolate caramel, little chocolate bars. They are really tiny. I was expecting just a little bit bigger, but they don't taste exceptionally well. I'm not real crazy about them, but they are good. I will eat them for a snack in the evening, or maybe one of these and a salad. So they were pretty good. So okay, and then the mint, something I haven't tried yet, is the flavored snack bar, Mint Cookie Crunch. And let's open her up. I'm not going to try it, but I do want to look how big that one is. Get this open here. You know how I am about opening things. Let's see. Okay. It's pretty small too, and it's crunchy. It's pretty hard. So mint, I love mint. I love the flavor mint, but Mint Cookie Crunch. I will try it later, and on another video, I will let you know what I think of them. And this is a crunchy snack 8-pack variety box, and I've tried the sea salt hummus and the barbecue potato crisp. I have not tried the salt and vinegar and the nacho tortilla chips like Doritos. So I will let you how I like those two. And then I ordered these. I love. These are the flavored crunchy snack iced cinnamon puffs. I love these. And what else? I'm gonna try crunchy potato snack sea salt veggie snaps. I call them straws, but I'm gonna try those and let you all know how I like that. And then these here, flavored crunchy snack chocolate marshmallow puffs. I want to try these. Where did I go with my knife? Did I drop it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is what the bag looks like. And I want to try these. Yeah. They're all stuck together like. Just want to try one. These are really good. I really like those. And what else did I get? Of course, I got, well, I showed you that already. Of course, I got the barbecue potato crisp. Those are my favorite. I love these. So, 10 thumbs up for those. And, okay, I think I've showed you everything that I got. But, I'm really liking these. So, I'm still doing pretty good on Weight Watchers. I have lost 24 pounds since January 1st. So I am doing pretty good. I think what's slowing me down, to be truthful with you guys, I cheat too much on the weekends. That is it. So if I would just, more to the point, I cheat on Sundays. My big cheat day is Saturday. But if I just end it with that and not cheat at all on Sundays, I would lose a lot faster. So, but I will try my best. It is really hard. Two of the things that are against me is menopause, of course, which I want to do a video, a whole separate video on menopause. And then, of course, I am on the anxiety, depression medicine Effexor. And if you read the side effects of that, weight gain. It is. So those two things, and my age too. But anyway, I'm hoping I could do better on the weekends, and so I will lose a lot faster. So I think that's all on my video today, short and sweet. I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you enjoyed this video, give me some likes. And if you enjoy my channel, subscribe to my channel and always hit the little bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I will chat with you soon, a couple days. So love you guys. Be safe, be well. Bye-bye.